Sharks and their relatives, the skates and rays, are in considerable conservation distress on a worldwide basis, largely as a result of overfishing, but also due to habitat loss. Sharks are taken in directed fisheries, in which they are the targeted species, but they're also taken as bycatch, as additions to catches for other species. Because of their biological characteristics, which include slow growth and low reproductive capacity, these animals are in more danger than their cousins, the bony fishes. And as a result, once a population is in decline, recovery is usually measured in decades rather than years. In large part, sharks are overfished because of their fins. Fins are highly sought in the Orient to be made into shark fin soup, considered a delicacy, often sold at more than $100 a bowl in restaurants. Sharks are apex predators, which means they're the top of the marine food chain and therefore hold a very special place in the grand scheme of things. That said, a world without sharks would be a very different one. We cannot predict as scientists exactly how that world would change, but we know that the dynamics in the food chain are very intricate, and we would likely see major changes and shifts of abundance in certain species below the shark in the food chain if sharks were gone. The fundamental factor that affects the abundance of sharks per se is their fins. And until we as a people come to an understanding that we cannot keep killing sharks simply for their fins to go to a specialty market, the problem with sharks is going to continue.